Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Avenza Maps stuck on waiting to process. So if your map won't finish downloading, importing or processing and you're stuck on the waiting to process message, just follow along. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. And if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching between mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. Next, check that your device has enough available storage, and if your storage is nearly full, Avenza Maps may not be able to finish processing large map files. After that, completely close the Avenza Maps app and then open it again. Return to the map and see if the processing continues automatically. And if it's still stuck, check the App Store or Google Play Store to make sure you're using the latest version of Avenza Maps. Installing updates can fix bugs that may prevent maps from processing correctly. You should also restart your phone and reopen the app after it powers back on. And if you're importing a map file, verify that the file isn't damaged or incomplete. Try importing the file again or download a fresh copy if possible. Another thing you can try is removing the map that's stuck processing and importing or downloading it again from the beginning. Finally, if the map continues showing waiting to process after trying all of these steps, you can contact Avenza Maps Support and provide details about the map file and the device so they can help investigate the issue. So that was how to fix Avenza Maps stuck on waiting to process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.